Hello guys, I'll be reviewing Muscle Blaze creatine monohydrate for you today. So what is creatine? Creatine is a chemical, it's found in your muscles. Naturally it can be obtained through red meat or seafood, but in this case creatine supplementation is the best option because red meat and seafood it can be consumed daily. What are the benefits of creatine? Creatine helps in muscle recovery, bone regeneration, it minimizes the age related muscle loss, it helps you get that high intensity workout that you require, and there are a number of benefits. Side effects: creatine has been researched over a number of years, it's one of the oldest supplements in the market. There are no such side effects of creatine if it's used properly. By properly, I mean the loading cycle. Loading cycle says that you take creatine 4 times a day: morning, before workout, after workout, and at night, for the first 5 to 7 days, and for the next 21 days, you take it 1 scoop a day, mostly before workout. You continue the cycle for 2 months and then give it a break for about 2 to 3 months so that the body doesn't get used to it. What are the types of chemical or creatine found in the market? So creatine monohydrate, micronized are one of the famous creatine chemical compounds found, while there are a number of others like creatine serum, creatine citrate, phosphate, and there are a number of them. So let me review the creatine monohydrate I have from Muscle Blaze over here. So Muscle Blaze is an Indian brand. It's an authentic product, I can say, because the packing is quite good. You can see it's quite good. It's strong and it has the scratch code, that coupon, all the things are there. So Muscle Blaze is known to have the authentic products. That's really good. Okay, so it's quite cheap too. You get it for 500 rupees, 50 servings for 500 rupees. That means 10 rupees a serving. That's quite cheap. Okay, so creatine monohydrate from Muscle Blaze. I have been using this product for about 6 months now. I have obviously I mean the loading cycle. I have been doing that. So it's an average product, I'll say. Not that good, not that bad. I got the results, but they were not that good as I expected them to be. I was able to pack 5 pounds of muscle mass. While people believe that creatine helps you get about 10 pounds of muscle mass in the first weeks, because obviously then there's a saturation point. So I was happy, not that happy. So if you want to use it, you can obviously try it. But if you're a beginner, you can try it. If you're an advanced or intermediate level of gym guy, then I think you should not go for this product. There are a number of brands available like Optimum, Ultimate Nutrition, Muscle Tech. You should go for those products. It's authentic. You can be sure about the authenticity though, but I will say that there are a number of other products that are authentic too, and they get you the results that you want. Obviously, when you take a product and you don't get that result, you're not that happy. So I must say that you should go for other brands. Let me just show you if you want the inside of it. As you can see, there's a scoop over there. The creatine powder is on there. The packing is quite good. You can see that it's not that easily bendable or foldable. So the packing is quite good. I was happy that the packing is good. So authenticity can be directly related to the packing of the product. As good the packing is, as authentic the product is. Because these are big companies, they spend a lot on the packing. So here's my review. So I can conclude that if you're a beginner, you should go for it. It's the creatine monohydrate I have over here. While if you are advanced or intermediate level of gym person, then I think you should go for other brands. It's good, but it's not that good. Okay, thanks a lot, guys.